Okay, today I'm going to just try and show you a quick, simple Perl script that calculates the power in a circuit. It's just little Ohm's law. It's P equals I times E. First, let me clear this screen. Remember that little command. Anyway, I've already got the script built. Let's first let me just show you what it does. So that's the name of it, Perl1.pl. So I'll execute it. So this is calculate the power in watts, P equals I times E. Remind me later. And P equals watts, I equals amps, blah, blah, blah. So once you enter the total amps, so let's say we've got 5 amps in this circuit. Total volts, standard 12 volt DC circuit. Boom. There you go. 60 watts. So let's take a look at the script and let you see how all that happens. There it is. So come up here and it's just telling you where to grab the Perl, blah blah blah. Use strict. I like to use this until it gets to be a problem. uh, this is pretty cool because I was running it and my screen would keep filling up. So if you use these little backticks, it calls the system command clear or your terminal command and cleans up the screen before it starts printing all this stuff. And then you tell it to print clear screen and it runs this terminal command to clear it out. So here you see the rest of it. It's mostly fluff. You print a bunch of stuff that you saw. Print it, print it, print it, print it. And then here you get down to where you ask it for enter the total number of amps. And then I made a variable for amps. And then this special Perl operator, which is standard input, which is equivalent to banging something in from the keyboard until you hit enter. Then you chomp it, and that chomp gets rid of the new line characters that comes after you hit enter here. If you didn't chomp it, you'd see some problems with your output. Matter of fact, I could take that off real quick and just show you. Let's see. And so if we do a little shift ZZ, let's run it again. I love that little clear screen thing in there. Total amps, 3 amps, 3 volts. Remember, we didn't chomp the amps. Look at that. So it still had a new line character right after this 3 and screws up our output. So that gives you a good idea what chomp does, and you saw what that clear screen does. It's pretty nice. So let's go back and fix that. Chomp. Yeah. Chomp. And escape. Then it just prints it out. I got another new line here just to space it out a little bit, and then the variable amps, then the text amps, the variable that contains what you input for volts, and some text, and then the variable that contains the results of your little calculation right here. So just a quick script to show you way you can use Perl and save you some trouble calculating power on your little DC circuits. And you can add code to say, okay, this isn't a number when they're inputting the numbers, and have it prompt them again. And maybe we'll show you something like that down the line, but just wanted to show you a little example of a Perl script. Thanks. Let's run it one more time while we're here. Shift CZ. Say I gotta do this. Total amps 66,667. Blah blah blah. Got a lot of amps. Total volts, and you got a pretty strong 12-volt battery. Let's see what kind of power we're putting out. Nice. All right. Thanks for watching.